Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I only talk about commercial insurance. Indemnity insurance is a pivotal issue for small business owners, offering a safety net against potential financial losses. Despite its benefits, understanding and choosing the right indemnity policy can be a daunting task, given the myriad of options and complex legal implications. Navigating this landscape requires a careful balance of foresight and knowledge to protect against unforeseen liabilities. Keep watching because in this video we will discuss these important topics. What is indemnity insurance? How does indemnity insurance protect professionals? Common coverages under indemnity insurance. What is the difference between indemnity insurance and general liability insurance? Claims made versus occurrence-based policies. What are policy limits and sublimits? Typical exclusions in an indemnity insurance policy. How are claims handled under an indemnity insurance policy? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Indemnity insurance is a special type of insurance that helps protect people and businesses from having to pay large amounts of money if they make mistakes or if something goes wrong. Imagine if you accidentally broke your friend's bike. Indemnity insurance would be like having a special friend who helps you pay to fix the bike. This type of insurance is very important for professionals like doctors, lawyers, and architects because it helps cover the costs if they make a mistake in their work. However, coverage depends on the specific terms and conditions of the policy. Indemnity insurance protects professionals by covering the costs if they make errors or omissions, which are fancy words for mistakes or things they accidentally forgot to do. For example, if a doctor gives the wrong medicine to a patient by mistake, indemnity insurance can help pay for any medical bills or legal fees that might come up. However, it's important to note that coverage depends on the specific terms and conditions of the policy, and not all mistakes may be covered. Indemnity insurance often includes several important coverages. 1. Professional liability coverage, which protects against mistakes made while doing professional work. 2. Errors and omissions coverage, which helps if something was forgotten or done incorrectly. 3. Legal defense costs, which cover the costs of hiring a lawyer. 4. Settlement costs, which are payments made to resolve a dispute. 5. Negligence claims, which arise if someone did not take proper care while doing their job. It's important to review your policy to understand what is specifically covered. Indemnity insurance and general liability insurance are different types of protection. General liability insurance is like a big umbrella that protects against accidents that happen to other people, like if someone slips and falls in a store. Indemnity insurance, on the other hand, is more like a safety net for professionals, protecting them from mistakes they might make in their work. So while general liability is about physical accidents, indemnity is about professional mistakes. Always consult with an insurance professional to understand the differences and what is best for your needs. These are two types of insurance policies. A claims-made policy covers claims only if both the mistake and the claim happen while the policy is active. Think of it like a fish net that only catches fish while it's in the water. An occurrence-based policy covers claims if the mistake happened while the policy was active, even if the claim comes later. It's like catching a fish today for something you did yesterday. It's important to understand which type of policy you have and how it affects your coverage. Policy limits are the maximum amounts of money that an insurance company will pay for a claim. Imagine if your piggy bank could only hold a certain amount of coins. That's like a policy limit. Sublimits are smaller limits within the main limit, like if you could only use some of those coins for candy and some for toys. These limits are important to know because they determine how much help you can get from your insurance. Always review your policy to understand these limits. Exclusions are things that your insurance policy will not cover. It's like a list of things you can't do with a toy. Common exclusions in indemnity insurance might include intentional wrongdoing, meaning if you do something bad on purpose, or certain types of risky activities. Knowing these exclusions is important so you're not surprised if the insurance doesn't cover something. Always review your policy to understand what is excluded. When a claim is made, it's like telling the insurance company something went wrong. The insurance company will look at what happened and decide if they can help. They might pay for a lawyer or help with other costs. It's important to tell them quickly and give them all the details so they can help the best they can. Always consult with your insurance provider for specific procedures. When choosing policy limits, think about the worst-case scenario. Imagine how much money you might need if something really big goes wrong. You want to make sure your piggy bank or policy limit can cover those big costs. It's also good to talk to someone who knows a lot about insurance to help you choose the right limits. Always consider consulting with an insurance professional to ensure adequate coverage. While both indemnity and liability insurances are about protection, they cover different things. Liability insurance is like a shield that protects you from paying for accidents that happen to other people, like if someone gets hurt at your house. Indemnity insurance is more like a cushion for professionals, helping them manage costs if they make a mistake in their job. Always consult with an insurance professional to understand the differences and what is best for your needs. I hope this guide has demystified the world of indemnity insurance and provided you with a more comprehensive understanding of its importance and the protection it offers to professionals. Remember, having the right indemnity insurance is crucial in safeguarding your business from potential pitfalls. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.